Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to hide topic notifications from showing up on your lock screen in the X app. If you've been finding those notifications distracting, or you just want to keep things more private, this simple step-by-step guide will help you take full control. The process is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. So, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go straight into your main settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all your apps and customize how notifications appear. Next, scroll down the settings menu until you find the option labeled Apps, and then tap on it. Inside, you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. From here, locate and select the X app. This is the app we'll be adjusting. Once you're inside the X app settings, you'll notice a section called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all the notification preferences for the app are stored. Now, inside Notifications, look for and tap on Notification Categories. These categories let you control different kinds of alerts individually, which is perfect if you only want to hide certain types without turning everything off. Within the list of categories, find the one labeled Topics and select it. This is where those topic-related notifications are managed. The next step is to tap on the option that says Lock Screen. Here, you'll see different choices for how notifications are displayed when your device is locked. All you need to do is select Don't Show Notifications, and that's it. You've successfully hidden topic notifications from appearing on your lock screen. From now on, your phone will no longer display those alerts in plain view, giving you more privacy and less distraction, while still allowing you to access them inside the app whenever you want. If you found this guide useful, take a moment to adjust other categories as well. This way, you can fully customize which notifications deserve your immediate attention and which ones can stay tucked away until you're ready. Thanks for watching.